Yeah, guys, and our next part of the video I want to share with you. Know. Big up the people who believe in me and believe in what I do. You know, you always have haters. This lady texts me and she say, oh, me I disrespect the big woman them and me I this. Me will do so much good for my platform. Somebody gonna say me disrespect people. Can you imagine me? I'm just a jovial, funny person. I just give fun. Me not take everything serious like some of these people. And this lady I gonna call me and say, oh, I'm a Christian and I think that way. Hey, everybody have them believe I'm a true believer in Christ. And I'm gonna be who I am. I'm gonna be the type of person God want me to be. Nobody cannot choose for me. Nobody can tell me when to pray. Nobody can tell me when to do this. Nobody can tell me when to go east and west. Because no found no Christian, no found no out there still believe say God up in the sky, you know. Take a look up in the sky. Look here. Look there. You see it? Cloud. Look how the sky beautiful. Look there. Well, I want to believe say God up in the sky. And when we get big now and understand, we find out say when man go up in the sky, a space then gone. You see me as a people? So, we have to understand the reasoning, brother. When it come on to Christianity, when you stop force down things from people. Back in the days, people did think say, yeah, the world was just Jamaica. You know? When I get big, I find out say there is more part of the world. You have Middle East, you have Africa, you have Southern Asia, you have you have Europe. The world is so big. So these people now, them have the concept, so yeah. Enough of them, you notice how they get vision, oh, God is gonna do this to Jamaica. God, look how the world big and God, look how much more, alright. Look over the other country where them and the other one are war. Oh, God no send no big disaster over there, but yet still one little thing happen. Oh, God I gotta do this to Jamaica, and God I gotta do this, and that I gotta do that. When you get them vision, then you just pray and try. Delete it. Beg God for mercy. You stop. You don't want to be the one to say, yeah, me well gifted, so anything me say goes and I'm a prophet. Everybody a prophet in their own way. You know, sinner people, God them better and get vision, get our dream. When you check it out, you work out that I see him so you go. You understand? Sometimes when you get some dream and when you try buying it up and when you just deal with the thing. But anyway, want to listen this part of the video. I like how the people reach out to me and you understand, say, yo, hold up your head and stop. Make people tell you this and tell you that. You understand? And you know, when people talk to me then way, I feel appreciative. You know, I think I'm doing a lot more good than enough bloggers and social media. I create good content. You understand? Yeah, I love the drama, I love the mix up sell. Hey, mix up selling and everything. Gossip sells. You understand? So people like me because of my personality. You understand? I'm intelligent. I might not have any subject. I'm not a subject kind of people. At high school me used to go. I never finish high school. I'm not ashamed to talk. You understand? But for a man when I go high school, I accomplish a lot because I have a skill and I have a trade. You understand? And God always make headways for me. Because you see my art and see my desire and see I have a clean heart and I love help people. You understand? So Christian people, I love you. I respect a lot of you, but you know, sometimes you can just tone it down with certain things. You know, don't try to correct somebody like to your beliefs. You have whole heap of Christianity tradition worldwide. You have Muslim, you have this. But the young lady said she got Egypt and the people were so loving and nice. And she saw Allah them pray. And she said she go migrate to Allah. Yeah. She said she go turn over her life to Allah. I think I could have tell the lady, say, hey, don't do that. The lady make she do what she want to do, man. You understand? None of we, hey, let me tell you this. All of we're on earth as black people. Yeah. Well, we learn Christianity from our master. You understand? From our master, from our ancestors' master. None of we don't know where our ancestors them used to worship down in Africa. We don't know. We don't know where it come from. You understand? You notice when them paint one picture of God of this white man, wanna say, until this day, if I wanna still believe that this man, this picture with this man, stretch out his hand, so him a God. I used to believe to me know enough of one. Even some Christian, when they shut their eye and them a pray to God, at the vision, that's the image come in front of you. This tall here man in a one gown or whatever I mean or whatever, you understand? God is in us. You understand? That's how I can tell them. So God is in us. You understand? And just we have to do the right thing and just see things just manifest. You understand? So me get big and understand life away, guys. So, even my mother and my father, they are Christians, they are pastors, but I respect them and I respect what they stand for, but but I then cause me say, boy, I'm stubborn, I don't want to turn over my life to God, and God want me to use in His church, and God I use them on this platform here. You understand? And I'm proud to know where I come from as a blogger for when we reach now. I almost reach 100,000 on this channel, Mix Up Boss. Alright. Black Boss are the next channel, guys. That's a backup channel, so I want all I wanna flood it, subscribe to it and everything, please. Alright, so it is what it is. You understand? You can't please everybody. And another thing more address, the ladies them were calling and I giving a story. You know how much backlash me get from Jamaican man who I say, hey, oh you always do story upon the man them, like me I fight against Jamaican man. I am not fighting against Jamaican man. It's just happened that me now get the Jamaican man them to come out and talk with woman do them, cause a man is more silent because I want him friend ear and face him a girl clown according to them. You understand? So yes, the ladies them sure share them story, but more address the ladies them is not everybody in a Jamaica as a man a scammer and thief. Look for me. I'm not a scammer, I'm not a thief, I'm a hard-working father. You understand? Back in the days I did always want a foreign woman, because I say when you're a foreign woman, then send money come here, then send barrel. But now you get big and you realize, hey, a woman send barrel and look and $200 or $100. What is that? That doesn't make you a man. That doesn't push you far in life. You understand? So me outgrow them things. But when enough people are used to certain things, then want the opportunity to say, yeah, I have a foreign woman and hey, foreign woman have it rough a foreign to her. You know much hours they have to put in? They have to put in a lot of hours, guys. You understand? And some are opportunists. I'm not gonna lie. Enough Jamaican man are opportunists. Enough woman also are opportunists. You understand? So we can dissect from both sides. And the Jankro, when I say donkey said the world level, me keep on as a Jankro. Donkey said the world level. You understand? So more on the ladies them kinda when you address on a Jamaican man, does say some Jamaican man. I don't want to look like you well away. You have good working class man in a good job, now no time for this. And no matter how the Jamaican man then cheat you cannot do without them because you love them. Thank you for watching, guys. Big up on yourself. Remember to turn on the notification. I'm out.